Hey runners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ASICS, a brand with a rich history of innovative shoe design. Stick around as we unveil the 8 best ASICS running shoes. Whether you're a long-distance warrior, a speed enthusiast, or someone seeking stability, ASICS has got you covered. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Selecting the best wasn't easy. We scoured ASICS' lineup, got insider info, checked Runner's World reviews, and used our running shoe market expertise. The result? A diverse list catering to different runners and styles. Let's dive into the video! First up, we've got the MetaRide, a long-distance runner's dream ride. It's all about making those miles easier by cutting down ankle joint movement, the energy sucker during your run. How does it work? Thanks to ASICS' slick new guide sole design, giving you that roll-forward smoothness in every stride. But hey, these shoes are a bit of a splurge, so make sure you're ready to invest in your distance running game. The verdict's still out on just how much they can supercharge your runs. Moving on to number 2, the Gel DS Trainer 24. They've spiced things up with some cool updates. The standout? A fresh knit upper, a first for ASICS, makes these kicks super breathable and lightweight. The redesigned heel counter ensures your feet stay locked in when you're kicking it into high gear. Now, what sets ASICS apart? 2 words: gel technology. First introduced in 1986, this gel-infused midsole is a game-changer, providing a smoother ride by absorbing impact forces. Add the impact guidance system, and you've got a shoe designed for a more natural foot movement. Now, for the stability enthusiasts, we've got the Gel Kayano 26 at number 3. The Kayanos have been rocking the ASICS scene for ages, and it's still a fan favorite. Perfect for the long haul, it's got gel cushioning in the front and back, Flight Foam Propel and Flight Foam Light in the midsole, and a cushy EVA sock liner, all teaming up to soak in those impact vibes. And guess what? It's not slacking on support either! Oh, and did I mention the breezy jacquard mesh upper? Yup, it's got that too, so you can keep cool while you conquer those miles. Number 4 on our hit list is the DynaFlyte 4. The DynaFlyte nails that sweet spot between comfy cushioning and lightweight vibes, making it your go-to for speedy workouts and those marathon-worthy races. ASICS leveled up the fit game in the latest version, tossing in a slick new knit upper that moves and grooves with your foot where it counts while giving support where it's needed. Plus, it's shed an ounce compared to the last one. Now let's talk Gel Nimbus 21 at number 5. ASICS' top-notch neutral distance kicks are a go-to for many runners, and the newest version keeps the tradition alive. It's got a sweet, supportive ride that can handle those long miles like a champ. The midsole? Stuffed with Flight Foam Propel, Flight Foam Light, and the gel cushioning system. Talk about top-tier impact absorption and energy bounce! Our Gel Cumulus takes the stage at number 6. The OG bestie in ASICS crew, standing strong alongside the Gel Nimbus and Gel Kayano. The newest version brings some cool upgrades, like a remodeled sock liner and extra foam around the collar for a comfier fit. They've even made the toe box a bit roomier, and the Flight Foam Light in the midsole got a softness upgrade. Before we jump to the last 2 amazing sneakers, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. ASICS, born nearly 70 years ago, started with basketball shoes in a living room. Fast forward to today, and they've become a running giant with a philosophy: anima sana in corpore sano, meaning a sound mind in a sound body. And that brings us to number 7, the GT1000, your budget-friendly running buddy. ASICS jazzed up the midsole with Flight Foam Propel for extra bounce, and the new double-layer mesh upper keeps things breezy and stable. There's a chunk of sturdy foam under the arch to tackle overpronation, and the EVA sock liner makes your steps comfy. Just a heads up, it's not a squishy cloud kind of shoe, more like a firm and sturdy ride. Last but not least, at number 8, we've got the GlideRide, a fresh contender taking on the big guns. This new shoe is all about making long-distance running a breeze. How? Picture this: a curved rocker sole, aka guide sole, that nudges you forward with each stride, topped off with a cushy layer of flight foam and a gel pod in the heel to soften those impact vibes. There you have it. The 8 best ASICS running shoes, each with its unique features and advantages. Whether you're a distance runner, speed enthusiast, or stability seeker, ASICS has something in store for you. Lace up those shoes and hit the road. Your perfect runaways. Don't forget to subscribe. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments. Peace out!